What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, baseball fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We're coming in a Wednesday night, 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. There's the one baseball break for you tonight. But first, we have the bad break drawing for last night's break, giving away a Troy Aikman 3-color patch, numbered to 49. Here are the entries for the drawing. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Whoever's on top after the 5th will win the Aikman. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the winner is Joshua W. Congratulations, Joshua. And now for the Triple Threads Baseball. It's going to be 30 spots, 1 team per spot. And we'll copy that list. Randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll copy the results and paste it against the list of teams in alphabetical order. And here's the roster for tonight. And here is the box for tonight. Mini box number 1. Here we go. First for the Red Sox, Carlton Fisk, 23 out of 99. Red Sox going to Ted. Royals, George Brett, 73 out of 625. Going to Angelo. Dodgers, Jackie Robinson. Rockies, Troy Tulowitzki. Cardinals, David Freese. First hit going to the Diamondbacks, a Little Moose, Ian Kennedy patch, numbered to 5 out of 27. Diamondbacks going to Ashley. And for the Reds, Jay Bruce, autograph game use patch. NL Player of the Month, this one number 22 out of 50. Reds going to Tad tonight. Cardinals, David Freese, 293 out of 625. Going to Angelo. Rays, Evan Longoria, 176 out of 625. Going to James N. Giants, Juan Marichal. National, Steven Strasburg. Rockies, Carlos Gonzalez. Rookie on-card auto 4 panel patch for the Mariners, Jesus Montero, 47 out of 99. Mariners going to Nicholas M. Congratulations. Boy, what do we have here? Let's grab a one touch. For the Yankees, Lou Gehrig, game used bad patch, super short print, numbered 8 out of 9. Very cool. Yankees going to Ashley tonight. Congratulations, Ashley. And that will do it for the Wednesday night breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with a 4-box football. Got a few spots left. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.